In front of me is the DOOGEE V20, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this DOOGEE. First of all, just go into settings and scroll down. Now choose biometrics and password, click on screen lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, pin or password. When you're ready, you need to enter it, choose next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm over here. Now tap on one of those options to answer the question, how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all, and then tap on done at the bottom right corner. Now when I click home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!